Welcome to Glam Talk, where we talk about beauty and wellness.
मुझे लगता है हमारे इस एपिसोड के बाद लोग उनके स्किन प्रोडक्ट से ज़्यादा उनकी ग्रोसरी लिस्ट चेक करेंगे.
Expert advice,
Food and everything is very simple. Keep it simple. Do not complicate it. And we really need to understand what works for us and do according to that rather than just following the trends that are going on.
social media nowadays, and lots of fun.
कि एक पॉडकास्ट पे आएगी न्यूट्रिशियस को लेके विल मेक देम शफल द कार्ड्स.
How would you sleep after drinking so much coffee, man?
See, you have
So, hello and welcome to the very first episode of Glam Talk, powered by Glam Guider. I am Khushi.
और मैं हूँ कबीर एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट एपिसोड ऑफ ग्लैम टॉक सीजन 1. सो व्हाट इज ग्लैम गाइडर? ग्लैम गाइडर इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म that has been made for people who are traumatized with what kind of products they want to choose, which brand should they go for, what kind of marketing lies are there outside, and what kind of marketing bluffs are people saying. So Glam Guider was designed for these people who can make informed choice, who can know what kind of products they want to buy, what kind of ingredients they think that work for them, and that's the reason we started Glam Guider. And क्योंकि हमारा पहला एपिसोड है तो वी डिसाइडेड कि एकदम रूट कॉज को पकड़ना चाहिए विच इज़ स्किन केयर. तो हमने सोचा स्किन केयर सिर्फ क्रीम्स एंड सिरम तक नहीं होता, इट्स समथिंग दैट स्टार्ट्स ऑन योर प्लेट.
That's correct. इसीलिए आज का थीम है न्यूट्रिशन फॉर ग्लोइंग स्किन.
एंड इसी के लिए वी हैव कॉल्ड वन ऑफ द सीजन्ड न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट हु हैज हेल्प्ड a lot of clients in gaining what they want. We have Sneha Mistry.
Hi guys, I'm Sneha Mestri. I'm a former national level high jumper. I've been into sports for more than 15 years of my life. After which I started doing personal training. So I'm a certified personal trainer from American College of Sports Medicine. After which I started nutrition because both of them go hand in hand. I also specialize in clinical nutrition, helping people with lifestyle disorders and everything that comes with it.
So mind blown to hear that. But I'm really happy that you have decided that you will come on our show. You help us in giving what people want. Because आज के ज़माने में I feel कि ऐसी बहुत ही चीज़ें हैं जहाँ पे वी लाइक बहुत कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो चुका है कि किसको ये क्या करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, खाना चाहिए, नहीं खाना चाहिए.
What all products to use, what not.
एंड जिस हिसाब से आई फेल्ट कि मैं तो मतलब ऐसा हो चुका हूँ कि मैं इंग्रेडिएंट्स पढ़ना ही छोड़ चुका है मैंने. तो मैं तो वैसे दिखता ही नहीं हूँ.
There's too much of information in the market and too much of information very easily available. That is the bigger source. And we really need to understand what works for us and do according to that rather than just following the trends that are going on.
True.
Social media nowadays.
Yeah.
I wanted to know, for example, if there are some kind of products that suits me, कि it's मतलब ऐसा है कि it suits me. तो and if I feel कि the other person, who it might be, and I felt कि उस पर्सन को भी आई एम थिंकिंग कि अरे हाँ ये तो मेरे जैसा ही है, दिस प्रोडक्ट विल सूट हिम ऑल्सो. सो व्हाट आर चांसेस कि वो सो सूट करे या ना करे या एकदम ही कुछ साइड इफेक्ट हो जाए? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
No, it depends. Sometimes it can also suit the person, but it is always better for the person to understand why the person is choosing any specific thing before just following because your friend does.
सो इसी के साथ सो देयर वाज दिस आवर फर्स्ट सेगमेंट जहाँ पे वी गॉट सम रियल क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम आवर यूजर्स.
Okay.
They have asked us some real good questions that we'll ask you, and we want them to know that what a real nutritionist prefer or what would she say, because बहुत से लोगों के पास एक्सेस नहीं होता, बहुत लोग जाते नहीं है, टाइम नहीं होता किसी के पास. So there are few questions that we got from them.
So, Sneha, let's start. Honestly, I feel whatever creams that we apply on face or facials, etc., उनका impact अपने face पे अलग होता है as compared to what we eat. That impacts differently, correct?
Definitely.
Yeah.
So there's this user who has said, I have heard this myth कि ज़्यादा पानी पीने से skin glow करती है. Is that true?
You need to have adequate amount of water. You cannot say water, a specific liter is not, there's no number to be specific. You have to have adequate amount of water for you. For example, if I am in a colder country, the water requirement for my body is going to be a little lower than when I am in a humid country, place like Mumbai. So that is something that you really need to keep in mind. So your adequate amount of water should be approximately, we put it in the bracket of around 3 to 5 liters.
बट आई हैड अ क्वेश्चन कि जैसे इफ जैसे मैं मुंबई में हूँ, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ मेरा ब्रैकेट इज़ कि 3 लीटर टू 5 लीटर के बीच में मुझे पानी पीना चाहिए, सो वुड इट्स बिकॉज आई एम इन मुंबई और इट इज़ बिकॉज कि मेरी बॉडी टाइप वैसी है? इफ़ आई गो टू सम अदर कंट्री वुड इट बी मोर, वुड इट बी लेस, या दिस इज स्टैंडर्ड कि सब जगह ऐसा ही होता है?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, जैसे आपके बॉडी की रिक्वायरमेंट है. द बेस्ट वे वी से दैट एंड इज ईजियर फॉर पीपल ऑल्सो टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज बाय seeing the color of your urine. If it is clear and this, you are well hydrated in the body. If it is not, that means that you do require more. You are dehydrated. The darker the color of urine, that means you're more dehydrated. And let me tell you, when we feel thirsty and you drink water, that is, we have reached a level of dehydration already. So you should not be waiting that I feel thirsty.
Thirsty.
And then
And then
I
I'll
have water.
drink.
You keep
Correct.
on having water.
My-
Body needs water.
माई होल चाइल्डहुड वॉज अ लाइफ हियर बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ पे तो लाइक आई टेल यू इन स्कूल्स या कॉलेज भी ऐसा ही होता है कि इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग थर्स्टी तो ही पानी पियो. कहीं पे भी ये नहीं बताया है कि यू शुड ड्रिंक वाटर ऐसे 15 मिनट्स में या 20 मिनट्स में या आधे घंटे
There's
में.
no specific time limit कि कितने टाइम में या कितना. The easiest way is carry a bottle with you. Once the bottle gets over, refill the bottle and this. That also helps you understand how much water you are having. Basically, how much you consume. So yeah, that is a better way.
मतलब I heard this rumor कि ज़्यादा पानी पीना भी like it's bad.
Yeah, because when you have excessive water in the body, all whatever nutrients that you're having are also thrown out as toxin through your urine because you are having there's water in the body, right? And secondly, at times it also leads to a lot of bloating and stuff in people because there's excess in the body. You never need anything in excess in your body is always going to be harmful, to be frank.
Okay. So let's go up on the second question. So let me take it correct. 3 simple foods जो easily अपन अपने diet routine में include कर सकते हैं.
You're speaking vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
Let's take
Non-vegetarian,
it both.
vegetarian.
You go with vegetarian first and then non-vegetarian.
Vegetarian, I would say dairy, nuts, and fruits. All of these are very potent. They have a lot of vitamins. They have a lot of this that will help skin. It is also a good source of protein. Dairy and nuts. So it's a good way to have for vegetarians. For non-vegetarians, you can go for meat. You can go for eggs, which is very easily and very comfortable for a lot of people to have. And vegetables as well. As much as your plate needs to be colorful and not dull.
Right.
My-
And what for vegan?
Vegan. That goes
That's-
quite.
आई थिंक वीगन की वीगन की जो कैटेगरी होती है उसी में बहुत कम चॉइसेस आई थिंक.
choices बहुत कम हो जाते हैं and you can go for, so I would say vegetables are good source. There are you have tofu, which is a very good source of protein and can be easily consumed and is really quite easily available.
I had a question. मतलब if a person who has chosen to be vegan, is he or she depriving themselves from nutrients, minerals that a normal person can have?
Certainly, definitely.
Yeah, controversy. Got the controversy.
But that is why you have to get into supplements. So they have to have certain type. That is also with vegetarians, like fish oil and everything is available in fish only. It's not you whatever, like you combine 3 sources of protein, but that's not giving you fish oil. You have to take a fish oil supplement. So
It doesn't make sense to me कि मतलब you are choosing to be vegan, then you are taking supplements from something else.
yeah, but nowadays they are even making supplements. Like there is pea protein. There is whey protein, there's pea protein. The content of protein is less, but we are vegan, so we are going to have pea protein. Yeah.
वैसे पूछना था, there was this user who said कि collagen आजकल लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ले रहे हैं, like people like taking collagen tablets and everything, like this kind of foods जो collagen naturally दे सके body को.
Elasticity. I would suggest maybe eggs. Eggs are a good source. Yeah.
Eggs are good source of collagen.
Yes, cooked yolk is a good source of.
Like boiled one or fried one?
No, cooked yolk.
मतलब कैसे करते
Yolk
हो?
मतलब
yellow part.
yellow
No,
part.
I got the yellow part. Cooked मतलब कैसे? Like how you are cooking it?
No, so sunny side up is not. It's half cooked or this is half cooked or
Half omelette.
bended.
Yeah.
So half omelette वगैरह नहीं. Preferably completely cooked and everything. They are good source of this
Collagen.
collagen. Even fish is a good source of collagen. You can say.
I feel
Other than because marine collagen is quite potent that way.
बिकॉज आई फील नाउ कि मतलब आधे से ज़्यादा चीज़ें जो जिनके लिए लोग टैबलेट्स लेते हैं सप्लीमेंट्स लेते हैं वो हमारी डाइट में ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है जस्ट कि वी आर नॉट वेरी फोकस्ड ऑन दैट बिकॉज इफ़ आई टेल यू मैं एग्स बहुत ज़्यादा खाता हूँ मैं फ़िश बहुत ज़्यादा खाता हूँ लाइक मेरी डाइट्स में आपने जो बोला एग फिश मीट समटाइम्स vegetables, everything is present. And then too, I'm trying to get some extra this thing, tablets, supplements, proteins, powders, just to get that thing कि मुझे शायद से नहीं मिल रहा है.
Exactly. So it is very necessary that you test. There are a lot of tests that help you decide. For example, D3 का deficiency हो तो D3 लो ना. D3 का deficiency नहीं है तो आप D3 क्यों ले रहे हो? वैसी चीज़ों की अगर, for example, you don't need to have collagen at the age of 20 and 25. Or even for that matter, you can start it a little later in 35, 40s also. A lot of people are starting it in their early 30s. But the skin is still rebuilding. We do have that. After a certain point, the skin cells rebuilding बहुत slow हो जाता है. That is when we need to support it through the collagen maybe supplements, because जितना food का quantity है उतना पूरा absorb हो नहीं रहा है body में. इसके लिए
Okay.
it's not necessary that you have all the supplements when you understand that you're not able to have it through food.
समझा. मेरी आंखें खुल चुकी है इस मोमेंट पे, बिकॉज मैं देयर वाज दिस ब्रांड, आई वोंट टेक द नेम, उनके साथ वी वर वर्किंग, they had their own collagen tablets and they suggested me कि collagen tablets तो आप कभी भी ले सकते हो, आप 18 के हो जाओ, 20 के हो जाओ, you can start taking it.
They do start taking it at a very early age. It is said. So it's a controversy okay, what exact age for collagen you can start. But if the skin and the body is still rebuilding, you really don't need to like start taking it, is what I feel, is my
No,
personal
even I get
opinion. But it depends. But it will always be better that you ask a medical practitioner before starting on these things.
Because there are these brands outside and उन्हें इतने इनके रिव्यूज़ है, सब कुछ है, and they are like कि हाँ हमने डॉक्टर सर्टिफाइड कर लिया है, आप खा सकते हो, आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. And I felt कि मतलब that's it's so wrong, because I felt we are not that like we don't put that much thought into that before buying or before applying something on our body or before eating something. We are so much like कि हाँ ठीक है इन्होंने बोल दिया तो होगा. I felt and that's the reason Glam Guider came. So Glam Guider का रीज़न ही ये था कि जैसे मैं हूँ या जैसे मेरे जैसे बहुत से लोग हैं जो इतना सोचते नहीं है चीज़ें, कुछ लेने से पहले, कुछ खाने से पहले, कुछ लगाने से पहले हम तो सोचते नहीं. हमारा था कि हाँ ठीक है लगा लिया, एक दो दिन बाद कुछ होगा, कुछ एलर्जी हो गई, कुछ हो गया, एंड देन वी आर लाइक कि हाँ किस किस चीज़ को हुआ रहेगा. सो दैट्स वाई द ग्लैम गाइडर केम. सो ग्लैम गाइडर पे कैसा होता है कि दे आर लॉट ऑफ आर्टिकल्स, रिसर्च, दे आर ब्लॉग्स दैट आर मेड ऑन दैट कि ओके if there's this product या this ingredient that they are saying कि it should work like this. So they research on it, they analyze on it, and then they write a blog कि okay if it works for you or not, if it should work for you or not, वैसा.
That's nice.
Okay, so this is my personal question. I was very curious to know about that. What is the specific food type that you prefer for yourself for glowing skin or maybe better skin?
I'm a pure non-vegetarian, so don't ask me what I prefer any day. So vegetarian is, you need to think a lot. What I
Because
get on the
I am a
plate.
vegetarian.
Yeah. But yes, I
That's
do know
too
how to
she is
play
मतलब
on-
वैसा vegan वाला vegetarian. तो she is so.
No, actually I'm Jain.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. I can understand. Yeah.
So she there are a lot of stuff that she can't eat, and मेरा हो जाता है कि फिर जो प्रोटीन वगैरह है वो कैसे मिलेगा. But I think she has a great skin. So I feel
Yeah, she does. Definitely.
I feel मतलब ऐसा jealous, but ठीक है. I'm very fine with
You
it.
should start eating vegetarian then.
मेरा मतलब वो है कि पर्सनली आई टेल यू, मेरा कुछ फूड रूटीन नहीं है. सो इट्स लाइक मतलब बचपन से ऐसा है कि इफ़ आई एट ब्रेकफास्ट इन द मॉर्निंग, मैं लंच कभी नहीं खाता हूँ, एंड देन आई डायरेक्टली ईट डिनर, एंड बीच में आई ड्रिंक ब्लैक कॉफ़ी अ लॉट. सो that has been my routine for last 10 years, and same routine है, and I मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं होता.
How do you have the same routine for 10 years?
Exactly.
या बिकॉज वो होता कि मैं घर से निकल रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ खा के निकल गया.
And do
दिन
you
भर
think this routine is right? Not to have dinner, not to have lunch. I'm so
No,
sorry.
I don't agree on skipping meals. At least the three
Exactly.
main meals should be had by everyone.
but my
I mean, you
sometimes
can skip your mini meals, but you have to
Yeah.
take your heavy meals, right?
Yeah, at least 3 meals in a day should be there. But yeah, but again, there are a lot of other diets that go through, but they're not sustainable. This 3 meals actually helps you to have a lifestyle change.
Exactly.
It's a lifestyle thing. It's not something that I just want to do for 5 days, 10 days, maybe 1 month if you're that consistent. Or maybe you might even do it for 3 months. But 3-4 months के बाद वो नहीं होता है. You have to have these 3 meals a day for your...
बट मतलब मैंने को ऐसे कभी कुछ प्रॉब्लम फेस नहीं किया. आई टेल यू मेरा कैसा होता था. दिस वाज आफ्टर माय कॉलेज. मैं सुबह उठता था, आई यूज्ड टू हैव फूड, आई यूज्ड टू गो फॉर माय ऑफिस, एंड देन उसके बाद ऑफिस में रहता था, काम करता था, एंड आई यूज्ड टू वेरी चिल. शाम होती थी, कॉफ़ी, देन दिन भर आई यूज्ड टू ड्रिंक ब्लैक कॉफ़ी. मेरा ब्लैक कॉफ़ी होता था, ऑफिस से
You
निकले
sleep at night.
बीच में माई रूटीन वॉज सो बैड कि आई वॉजंट एबल टू स्लीप. मैं सोचा कि 3 बजे ना मैं जगा हुआ ऐसे, एंड जैसे मुझे वो
How would you
सनरेज,
sleep after drinking so much coffee, man?
See, you have caffeine in your system.
मेरा ऐसा होता था कि रात को 3 बजे है, मेरे को नींद नहीं आ रही, एंड जब मेरे को वो दिखता था कि सनरेज देखने के बाद मैं सोचा कि अब सोने का टाइम हो गया, एंड फिर मैं सोने जाता था. तो लेजिट दिस वाज माय लाइफस्टाइल.
Which is bad.
This is
Which is
this
bad.
is your lifestyle.
So Glam Guider was made for me.
Yes, it was definitely.
That's how you plug in.
So basically, what you're saying, like you did not feel anything, is
Yeah,
because
matlab-
your hunger pangs were killed by caffeine.
So this is for our listeners. If someone wants glowing skin and they want to actually work on their skin, so what would be the 3 food types that they should actually prefer or go on?
Fruits are very good. Green leafy vegetables. Some
Okay.
people are very this. It's not compulsory that you have it as a vegetable only, or if you don't like it boiled, you can mix it and have it. You can add it to your salads. You can add it through your soups. You can add it through. People like to eat this wheat in our this, so you can just add it to your wheat flour and have it. So green leafy vegetables do help a lot, as well as eggs is something that I would suggest.
Okay.
Because of the protein content, because of the other nutrients, D3, everything that is there in it helps. And fruits like orange, citrusy fruits, orange, papaya, melons. We have a lot of micronutrients that are present in these fruits, which we somehow are there in vegetables, but not that potent. So that these fruits actually help. And it is even good for diabetic patients to have, because the natural sugars in that will help them manage their this. It can be combined with something to avoid the sugar spikes, but fruits can be consumed by.
बट आई हैव हर्ड दिस कि जो हम लोग फ्रूट्स का इफ यू मेक अ जूस तो उससे शुगर स्पाइक भी होती है.
हाँ, पहले तो fruit से भी हो गई sugar spike, because there is sugar in the fruit.
Right.
Yeah.
Any 90% of our fruits are mostly sweet. There are some citrusy ones, but so when you juice it, you increase the glycemic index of it, because
Okay.
you are this, because process हो रहा है ना. जैसे हम लोग white rice बोलते हैं over brown rice, it is processed. You are
Processed.
processing it more, and that is why there is more.
So raw form or juice? What according to you?
If you have teeth, I would say chew it.
Oh yeah, that's correct.
पॉइंट.
And why not raw
if,
form?
if somebody doesn't have teeth, or like it's this teething child or something, yes, you can give them the juice form, because they're still having the fruit. But if you have teeth, might as well chew, because everything starts.
And if you have an option to eat raw, then you eat that way only, right?
Raw fruits or vegetables, are you saying?
Fruits.
Yes, any day raw.
स्नेहा, जैसे हमने अभी बात की कि क्या हमें खाना चाहिए या किस टाइप का फूड अच्छा है एंड क्या अवॉइड किया जा सकता है. नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन टू आवर सेकेंड सेगमेंट. तो इसमें वी वांट टू नो अनहेल्दी, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फूड हैबिट्स आर अनहेल्दी और विच कैन लीड टू बिकमिंग द वर्स. कि मतलब ये ऐसा, जैसे पीपल लाइक समवन टोल्ड मी, सो आई हैव दिस हैबिट. और मैंने अगर मेरी आइस्ड कॉफ़ी आती है, सॉरी नॉर्मल कॉफ़ी पकड़ लो, आई एम हैविंग माई कॉफ़ी, मैंने थोड़ी पी ली है, थोड़ी रख दी मैंने, एंड देन वो मैं 1 घंटे बाद पीऊँगा. तो पीपल आर लाइक लॉट ऑफ पीपल टोल्ड मी कि वो ऐसा खराब हो जाती है, इट कैन लीड टू कैंसर एंड स्टफ. तो वैसा नहीं करना चाहिए. इज इट ट्रू? तो वैसा आई वांट टू डू लाइक इस साइड में.
घंटे रखने से कैंसर नहीं होगा.
नहीं मतलब 1 घंटे बाद एक सिप लूंगा मैं, फिर वापस वो रख दूंगा, फिर वापस उसके फिर 1 घंटे बाद फिर नेक्स्ट सिप लूंगा.
Okay, so you let your coffee
And he
settle
actually
through
does
the,
this, okay?
through the whole day. I don't know. It kind of might taste stale, but I don't think it is very harmful in that sense. But having so much coffee throughout
Is
the day
ideally
is
not
not
good.
ideally.
अगला क्वेश्चन मेरा ये था, ऐसे तो कौन से 3 अनहेल्दी फूड हैबिट्स है, क्या लाइक ऐसे कौन से अनहेल्दी आप कह लो, फूड भी कह लो, जो एक्ने एक्सीलेट कर सकते, कि एक्ने एजिंग वगैरह लाइक वो एक्सीलेट कर सकता है.
Aging तो सभी एज होने वाला
नहीं
है.
मतलब होता है
Something
ना,
that you cannot
I felt कि
change.
आजकल जैसे लोग हैं,
But acne does get triggered a lot with having too much of oily or fried food. Even like we say, nuts are very healthy, but excessive eating of this nuts and everything can also lead to acne, because oil production बढ़ जाता है ना. So if you tend to have oily skin and everything, they do tend to have a reaction on your skin. Anything is wrong in your gut, it's going to show on your skin first.
हाँ. It makes sense now. And if मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा nuts खा लिया and I have acne now, and if I want them to go naturally, is there anything I can eat? I can do, I can drink plenty of water, something like that.
Yeah, so basically, the whole point is there is a lot of oils that has been, it is because of oil and acidic tendency of your body to increase. So you can actually try making your body a little alkaline by having water, nariyal pani, and things like that. But I will not tell you that overnight wo kar liya to fir kal I am going to wake up with a clear skin and everything. No, at times it gets so much infectious that you might even have to go on antibiotics. इतना इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है. Yes, application of wrong products or even overuse of stuff can actually lead to so much infection that you actually have to take antibiotics to get those infections out.
बट सो है क्या कि मैं कोकोनट भी बहुत ज़्यादा पीता हूँ पानी, वो भी 1 को में, तो इट्स वेरी हेल्दी राइट.
You don't have acne.
Yeah,
I
but
don't, no.
coconut water is good, but excess of anything is not good for your body. Is all I would say.
Quantity matters, right?
Quantity matters.
Yeah,
a
this
lot.
was our question, right? We had this question.
Yeah.
कि does frequency matter or quantity matters
Quantity.
For sugar.
for sugar? Yeah.
It's a big topic.
Sugar quantity matters.
Quantity
Frequency doesn't
Quantity
matter.
matters. Yeah.
So, for example, if I'm having 12 cups of chai with 1 spoon of sugar, is that worse or 20 grams of sugar at one go? What is worse? No, but
Sorry,
quantity or
Both
frequency?
are worst.
Huh? Seriously?
12 cups of chai. First thing, it depends on how your preparation of chai becomes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where
तो
it
उसमें
starts.
शुगर तो जैसे 1 tablespoon sugar I've poured in it and 12 cups of chai I'm drinking in I'll say what in 24 hours. So 2 hours में I'm drinking 1 cup of chai. So it became frequency.
So imagine you are giving how much sugar to your body every minute. You're giving like that spike.
Exactly.
और अगर मैं एक ही like I'm just having 1 cup of tea and उसमें ही मैंने बहुत शुगर डाल दिया.
पर वो भी खराब है ना. एक झटके में इतना स्पाइक डाला तो वो उतने ही झटके में नीचे आएगा. So the spike that happens because of simple sugars that we say, that's why we don't take simple sugars just like that. So the spike that happens, if it spikes that fast, it drops also that fast. That's why if you have something like very sugary and everything, you immediately feel that very nice and everything.
Right.
And after a while, like maybe an hour or so, you see that drop also happening. It is because as high as it gives you, it drops also.
I thought कि मतलब वहाँ मतलब समझा because sometimes जैसे मैं बहुत I'm feeling like एकदम low उसके बाद I just have this Cadbury or something and I feel so I'm like I'm back now. तो उसके बाद से I started keeping Cadbury's in my bag कि मतलब कभी भी निकाल के खा लो. It is something कि sugar level बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है इसके वजह से.
You need to eat. You need to eat.
मतलब मैं
It's
diagnosis अलग
maybe,
है.
yes, you're not having your meal. That is why you are getting the sugar craving.
Exactly. Actually, I feel कि we have already discussed upon this. Indian spices.
Yeah, we have.
They're very good. And we are very lucky to have so many spices which have so many benefits and they're potent with a lot of benefits. But it is very important to understand why you are having. You need to ask yourself the question why. सब कुछ खाना ज़रूरी at a specific time नहीं है. But जो कभी खाना ज़रूरी है, that makes a lot of sense.
And you should also look at the quantity, right?
Yeah. Spices. Any which ways, I don't think anybody overuses a lot
Yeah,
of
maybe
spices.
in vegetables or something.
Yeah.
They should not overuse in that. no?
Yeah. But other than that, like spices are good, are actually very good. And we are lucky to have so many and with a lot of nutritive value. But you need to know, like you can't say sabne haldi ka pani peena hai. What do you need it? Do you really need that? Does your body really need that? Does your lifestyle need it? If it does, definitely go for it. But if it doesn't, you should not. Even if it is very good nutritive food, doesn't mean that you have to
Right.
consume it.
हमारे जो इंडियन स्पाइसेस है
हाँ.
इफ दे आर इंक्लूडेड इन आवर डेली डाइट नॉर्मली अमाउंट में खा रहा हूँ मैं दिन लाइक जैसे नॉर्मल लोग खाते हैं वैसे खा रहा हूँ सो इट्स नॉट हार्मफुल राइट मतलब मैं खा सकता हूँ नॉर्मली उसको मतलब वैसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि फ्राइड चीज़ आई टोल्ड यू आई लव फ्राइड थिंग्स तो जैसे आई एम ईटिंग सम वेजिटेबल एंड उसमें मुझे स्पाइसेस चाहिए एकदम अच्छे तरीके से मिक्सड एंड वो ऐसा मैं डेली खाता हूँ.
स्पाइस का इशू नहीं है यहाँ पे डीप फ्राइड इज द इशू
Oh, ah.
you can add a very spicy thing and air fry it and eat it. You want it
Exactly.
crisp, right? We have an option of air frying. You have an option of baking. The spice is not the issue. Your excessive oil is the issue.
issue. So there was this question that I got: should I go gluten free for better skin?
If gluten actually hampers your gut, then you may have to think of that as an option.
So it depends on person to person.
It definitely depends on person.
And how do we
because some
know?
people are gluten sensitive. There are certain so they might have certain rashes that might show up. They might have some reactions on the skin. They might have certain gut issues that might flare up when they eat gluten, or they might feel too bloated when they have had gluten. So there are people who have these gluten sensitivities. So if they have that, then you should definitely avoid it.
But as a normal person, if जैसे मैं कुछ जैसे for example if I have gluten issues, but I don't know if I have or not gluten issues, what is the
You will definitely come to know, because if you have, you will have that bloating happening. You will have some kind of rash or something, and you will see that it will happen immediately after you having something which is related to gluten, or this maybe like if you have like a sandwich and everything. So these people actually do get that sense. Like I am lactose intolerant, which is a very weird thing, because all my life since my childhood I've had milk, and I used to love milk and milk products. But recently I have been having a lactose intolerance. So I start having a little bit of a gut issue if I have if I have milk with lactose, or then I will have a lot of cystic acne that shows up on my face. So but this is basically because of the hormones these days that they inject in these milk products, and the quality of milk that has gone bad. Because I like to tell you, like we had recently been to Masuri, and there I wasn't going to get lactose-free milk or stuff. So I had the regular milk or chai and everything, and it did not at all hamper with me. So
it depends upon the quality of
milk. The
Yup.
quality of milk right now is so bad, and they have been injecting it with hormones and stuff, and that is what is leading to a lot of more people having gluten and lactose intolerance.
so मतलब ऐसा है कि it's not me who has a problem is in the product that I'm
या
consuming.
बट अभी वो प्रोडक्ट का आपको तकलीफ हो ही रही है, तो फिर आपको वो अवॉइड करना ही पड़ेगा ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपको चपाती की तकलीफ हो ही रही है, आपको उसकी तकलीफ होने वाली है, तो यू विल हैव टू switch to another alternative like a jawar bhakri or something that is a better alternative.
I wanted to ask what like जो होता है डार्क चॉकलेट जो आए डार्क चॉकलेट हो गए, then there are this energy drinks that has came. How harmful are this? Because we all know that those are harmful.
Why is dark chocolate harmful? Why
Dark
would you
chocolate
say
not
dark
harmful.
chocolate is harmful? Why?
Because there
No,
are a
he's
lot of
saying
people.
it. Let's see why he wants to
Yes,
say
yes,
that.
yes. I
know.
need to
I'll
listen
tell
to
you
this
because
now.
I have heard this rumors a lot of time कि डार्क चॉकलेट में कि ऐसे कैफीन वगैरह होता है कि which is also harmful. You shouldn't have.
कैफीन तो होना ही है डार्क चॉकलेट में, because it comes out of cacao seeds ना.
Yeah,
तो वो
same.
कैफीन होना है, but it is not harmful, and dark chocolate is good for the skin as well.
Exactly.
So अगर
Even
dark
I've
chocolate
heard
is-
And
that.
dark chocolate is extremely good for sleep as well.
So if dark chocolate is
You
good,
should
then
consume
why
that.
coffee is bad? I'm
I'm not saying coffee is bad. I'm saying excessive coffee
So
is
excessive
bad.
dark chocolate,
Yeah,
Bad, okay.
Excessive, अब excessive salad खा लो तो भी मैं बोलूंगी bad है.
excessive salad. Thank God, मैं तो मतलब थोड़ा भी नहीं खाता. Excessive, so I wouldn't eat.
quantity is the key, right?
Quantity is the key. Quantity matters a lot.
And you should really understand that.
Yeah, because
Yeah, and quantity for every person is also different. You have to keep that in mind as well.
ये पूरा सेशन भाई मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जैसे किचन
Kitchen detox.
किचन डिटॉक्स हुआ है, प्रॉपर
Exactly,
किचन डिटॉक्स हुआ है,
for
पता
the
है
users.
मेरे को ऐसा लगा वाओ, मतलब कितनी चीज़ें हैं जो मैं इतने कॉन्फिडेंटली सही किया है मैंने कि वो गलत है. मैं तो पूरी ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत सी चीज़ लाइक एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम कॉफ़ी टू एलर्जीज टू डार्क चॉकलेट टू फूड, एवरीथिंग इट फेल्ट लाइक एज इफ कि मतलब अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट स्टफ ना, मतलब इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है नहीं जितना लोगों ने करके रखा है दिमाग में कि सिंपल
दिमाग
चीज़ है.
में से ज्यादा ना क्या हो गया है, इतनी there's so much information out there, and we really don't know which is actually true and which is not.
Exactly.
And if you haven't actually read about it, or if you haven't this, you end up believing people. And sometimes what happens is what we see is what we believe. If we are saying skin, you see a person who's speaking about skin care and has a beautiful skin, you will want like, oh, let's just try it now. That
Yeah.
person has done it. Let me just try it. It might work. Marketing works there.
This is why Glam Guider is there.
This is why Glam Guider steps in.
Steps in. कि no matter how much marketing bluffs you can throw, Glam Guider is there to sort it out easily. it analyzes the product, it research on it, it posts article on it, writes about it, and then tell its user कि okay, this is good but for this kind of skin people, this is bad for this kind of skin people, this is bad for everyone. So it's like that. So वैसे if you do ना, the people have their own choice कि उनको क्या करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए, rather than just forcing them anything. I felt वैसा.
I won't say it is more of force. It is more of the influence that people have on you.
True. Yeah. कि मतलब आज के ज़माने में तो इट्स फैशन कि everybody just comes, oh, you know, guys, please play this game or please buy this product or please do this, please do that. And I don't know how people are just, I don't know
Following
if
it
it's
blindly.
if it's laziness, if it's procrastination, या if it's trust कि they are like हाँ इसने बोला ना अब तो करना पड़ेगा, अब तो कर लेंगे, and they just do it
Yeah, the people very easily get influenced.
very easily.
Very easily.
So we were like कि okay, we can do this thing कि जहाँ पे we won't tell you you need to buy this or you need to buy that. We'll tell you कि इस प्रोडक्ट से आपको ये मिलेगा, ये ऐसा होगा, ये प्रोडक्ट आपके लिए यहाँ काम आ सकता है, यहाँ पे बर्बाद कर सकता है, ये प्रोडक्ट बारे में ऐसा है, चॉइस आपका है, आपको ये लेना आप ये ले लो, आपको ये लेना है वो ले लो. दोनों के बारे में डिटेल में हमने आपको बता दिया वैसा. It makes वैसे
makes
more
more
sense.
sense.
More sense. So next segment
Let's
is
go on.
थोड़ा सा crazy statement.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा क्रेजी, मतलब ज़्यादा क्रेजी नहीं, इट्स सिंपल. It's an emoji round. There are this very weird statements that we have. You'll have 5 emoji cards.
Okay.
On that we'll say the statement. You have to give us that emoji कि what do you think about this or what do you feel about it. जैसे
Okay.
I give you a statement जैसे कि between Kabir and Khushi, Kabir is the best host. So you have this 5 emoji: heart eyes, best, good.
Okay.
वैसे emojis. You have to select one emoji. Okay, let's start it. So Sneha, let's start this segment. Skincare in 5 emojis. I'll ask you one question. More than question, it would be a statement. You give us what do you think about it. Okay. Avocado for glowing skin. Ooh, that's okay. मैं इसको ये टिक मारूंगा.
Drinking haldi doodh at night for clear skin.
You can. It is. You can.
Yeah.
It will help.
Cutting out dairy for acne. Dairy products.
Not a choice, but if it is hampering, you have to. Not a choice there. If it's hampering, you have to. You got to do.
Green smoothies every morning.
Not every morning.
Oh.
But it is definitely good, but not every morning.
Yeah.
Drinking celery juice at 6 a.m. for clear skin.
Celery juice for clear skin is definitely good with other ingredients as well.
Snacking on soaked methi seeds for acne control.
Methi seeds are not for acne control. Methi seeds are good, soaked methi seeds, but not for acne.
What is it good for?
It's good for digestion.
Oh.
Oh.
Eating 2 raw tomatoes daily for glowing skin.
Maybe having 2 raw tomatoes. You can have tomatoes,
It's a
but
recipe.
not like
2 raw tomatoes.
2 raw
2 raw
tomatoes.
tomatoes.
Not required, but yeah, tomatoes are good, but not in that quantity.
Adding flax seeds to literally everything for that dewy look.
Quitting cheese forever because it might be causing you jawline acne.
Yeah, if it is causing you, you have to.
So Sneha, then this is the next segment, which is called fact or cap. So there would be some statements that we would be saying to you. कि वो statements सुन के बाद you tell us कि is it fact that it happens or is it cap कि बस ऐसा myth है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता.
Cloudy दिनों में sunscreen नहीं.
Myth. Sunscreen every day.
Oily skin doesn't need moisturizer.
Myth. Oily skin needs moisturizer, but you need to, rather than using an oil based, you can use a gel based or a water based moisturizer,
Okay.
depending for your skin type.
Natural ingredients are always safe for skin.
It is a myth.
Yeah.
Yeah. For some people, yes, it will show. For some, it will not show. So it is better to understand your skin type and then use products on your skin if you want results. If you're looking for results, yes, then
God.
shoot.
Face steaming daily will unclog your pores.
No, it opens. It's a myth. It opens up your pores so much that then there is more space for the dirt to go in, and
ये खतरनाक myth था.
yeah.
So I'll start with the last segment, which is called Shuffle with Glam Guider.
Okay.
So there are 10 cards on which there are some statements, there are some questions, and we'll
Exactly.
shuffle the deck. We'll give it to you. You choose a card. You see the statement. You read the statement, and you say what do you think about it. Okay.
Makes sense. This is going to be
The statement is called Shuffle with Glam Guider.
Yes.
shuffling. Okay.
Never thought कि एक podcast पे आएगी एक nutritionist को लेके we'll make them shuffle the cards.
So true.
Okay.
Hot take: avocados are nutritively rich. What's one thing you eat even though you know it wrecks your skin?
It has to be about you.
Yeah. Chocolate cake.
Oh. See,
Dark chocolate cake.
Coffee, chocolate cake.
Coffee, chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake, as in I'll just have like one slice of a dark chocolate cake, but I need that good dark chocolate cake. I can't have a creamy dark chocolate cake.
I can
That's
see
not
that
it.
on her face.
I get it.
I can't do that. What's one popular food trend people swear by for glowing skin that you secretly think is completely nonsense? So many trends.
You can tell us one. Let us make some controversies.
This might be controversial, but yeah, applying honey on the face.
Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah, that I don't like. As my
So-
Is it harmful?
I have seen a lot of people seeing reaction on their skin when they have done that because raw honey directly applying it on the skin,
Is
बाप रे.
not good.
not good. Yeah.
इसीलिए start होगा episode.
And what about mixing it with something?
It can work. Sometimes it does work like that. But frankly saying this is very controversial is why I'm saying, because for certain people this definitely works, like applying like milk on the face, applying tomatoes on the face, though a lot of dermatologists don't recommend it, but it does work for a lot of people. And for a lot of people, especially for me, it never works because I have hypersensitive skin, so I will
I get
have
it.
issues.
And it differs from skin to skin, right?
Skin type, exactly.
I have applied honey on my skin,
Yeah.
but not only honey, but yeah, mixing it
Mix
with
it
besan or something.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
maybe you just add like a drop of it with maybe besan or something. That might be more helpful rather than just like raw honey directly on the face.
correct.
There are people who do that.
So this brings us to climax of this episode.
Okay.
We are so happy that we had you, Sneha, in this episode. It was amazing. The conversation that we had with you was मेरे लिए तो बहुत epically, it was eye opener. I'm pretty sure our listeners would love to hear your thoughts, to know a lot about eating habits or whatever. They must have learned a lot about themselves in this one episode. जितना वो लोग like last 1-2 साल से अगर उन्हें try किया होगा उतने में नहीं हुआ रहेगा. It was very lovely to have you here.
And thank you so much for coming here and giving your time for this. And this session was very interactive, and I learned a lot from this.
Thank you for having me. I would just like to say is food and everything is very simple. Keep it simple. Do not complicate it. And there's nothing as with food, with your skincare, nothing black and white. You have to see what works for you and go ahead with that.
Got it.
Yeah. So it was nice having you all, talking with both of you all.
That was the startup of the show, right? So, Sneha, thank you so much for being here and हमारा first episode इतना amazing and interactive बनाने के लिए.
मुझे लगता है हमारे इस एपिसोड के बाद लोग उनके स्किन प्रोडक्ट से ज़्यादा उनकी ग्रोसरी लिस्ट चेक करेंगे.
Definitely.
और
Thank you for inviting me for your first episode. It was nice chit-chatting with both of you all.
So listeners, अगर आपको ये फर्स्ट एपिसोड पसंद आया होगा तो लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट. एंड या कमेंट्स में अपना फेवरेट ग्लो टिप बताना मत भूलना.
और ग्लैम टॉक लेके आएगा एवरी मंथ ऐसे ही एक प्यारा सा एपिसोड जहाँ पे एक रियल एक्सपर्ट रहेंगे जो हमसे बातें करेंगे और जो हमें बताएंगे क्या सही है क्या है गलत. और कुछ रियल अगर आपको एडवाइस चाहिए, रियल इंसाइट चाहिए, विजिट glamguider.com एंड फॉलो आवर पेजेस.
ये तो बस शुरुआत है. ग्लैम टॉक इज ऑफिशियली लाइव नाउ.
Till next time, stay glowing, stay guided.